Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Four Wheels Empire, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Today, we've got something special for you, the much anticipated 2024 Toyota Crown. Let's dive right into this sleek and sophisticated sedan. Although a sedan with a raised suspension isn't a new concept, the 2024 Toyota Crown follows that formula with mixed results. While it's sold as a traditional sedan body in other parts of the world, the variant we get here in the US is only offered in a high-riding setup. Its looks aren't for everyone, but if you can get past its styling, you'll find a car with Lexus levels of luxury inside and either of two hybrid powertrains under the hood that are proven fuel economy winners. What's new for 2024? Toyota's wacky Crown Sedan cum SUV gets a few tweaks to interior materials for 2024 to help improve fit and finish. The mid-range Limited can now be ordered with the Advanced Technology package, which includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, a lane change assist feature, and a front cross-traffic alert system. The top-spec Platinum trim gets those features as standard engine, transmission, and performance. All Crown models have a hybrid powertrain, but only the top-spec Platinum model gets Toyota's new Hybrid Max setup, which pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor on the rear axle for a combined 340 horsepower. The Sleigh and Limited models get a less powerful 236 HP hybrid system that uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and 3 electric motors. The Sleigh and Limited have a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT, while the Platinum uses a 6-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is standard on every trim. With the base powertrain, the Crown's acceleration is adequate. At our test track, it hit 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds. The Platinum trim, with its more powerful setup, is noticeably brisker as proven by its 5.1-second launch to 60 miles per hour. The Crown's suspension has been tuned for a relaxing ride, so don't expect cornering heroics, but the Platinum model does come with adaptive dampers that sharpen things up and give the big four-door a slightly more fun-loving nature. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the Crown with the base hybrid powertrain will be capable of returning up to 42 mpg city and 41 mpg highway. The Platinum model's more powerful Hybrid Max powertrain is claimed to deliver around 29 mpg city and 32 mpg highway. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, the Crown Limited delivered an impressive 42 mpg, while the top-spec Platinum returned 32 mpg, exactly as the EPA predicted. For more information about the Crown's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the Crown's cabin looks appropriately premium. Drivers who trade in their Avalon sedans are in for an upgrade, especially if they buy a Limited or Platinum model. The driving position is raised from a traditional sedan height to something akin to a compact SUVs, which may make the Crown an attractive alternative to full-size sedans that still adhere to a more traditional formula. All models come standard with 8-way power-adjustable front seats with heat, dual-zone automatic climate control, and ambient interior lighting. Limited and Platinum trims at a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and ventilated front seat. Infotainment and connectivity. A 2.3-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard across the range, and it runs Toyota's latest and much improved software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are integrated into the infotainment software and connect to smartphones via a wireless connection. A second 12.3-inch display has digital gauges in front of the driver, and the Crown also includes niceties such as a wireless smartphone charging pad, onboard Wi-Fi, and USB-C ports. The base Sleigh trim comes with a 6-speaker stereo, but Limited and Platinum models get an 11-speaker JBL stereo. Instead, in our first drive of the Crown, the JBL stereo failed to impress and lacked the richness of the setup that had been offered in the Avalon. Safety and driver assistance features. Toyota equips most of its cars with a host of standard driver assistance features, and the Crown is no different. All models come with a package of features including automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic high beam headlamps. Now let's talk about pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Toyota Crown starts at $41,445 and goes up to $54,465 depending on the trim and options. All three of the Crown's trim levels provide a more luxury-oriented experience than other four-door offerings from Toyota. The most intriguing option is the more powerful Hybrid Max powertrain, which is exclusive to the top-end Platinum trim, so it's the one we'd choose. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Crown is a true masterpiece, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, this sedan has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 4 Wheels Empire for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about the road.